is up? It's me, Emily, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a fantastic day. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing another makeup video. I know I've been doing a lot of makeup related videos lately. I don't know why. I've just been kind of like in the mood and I've been super inspired to do makeup lately, so I'm really sorry about that. But I promise my next video will probably be a haul, so I've seen so many looks kind of like this on Instagram where it's like too much blush, freckles, fake eyelashes, gloss, and like blinding highlights. So I really wanted to put that all together and recreate it, I guess, in this video. And I am actually really impressed by how it turned out. I really like it a lot. I love the blush. Kind of looks like you're like a doll. Freckles are kind of because I've never really done faux freckles before. So I hope, you know, it's not too bad, but whatever. It is what it is. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and check out all my social medias. I've been super duper active. Anyway, I really enjoyed doing this look. If you guys have any more looks you want me to try to kind of recreate, make sure you DM me or just tweet me, whatever you want. I really hope you guys will enjoy this video, and let's get started. For foundation today, I used my Urban Decay all-nighter liquid foundation, and this is amazing. I received this product complimentary from Urban Decay, but all opinions are 100% my own. I just want to say that I love this so much. It's amazing for people who have oily skin just like me. It leaves such a nice matte finish, and I totally recommend it if you have super oily skin. I got mine in shade 3.25, but it was way too light for me, so I mixed it with my L'Oreal Infallible foundation. These two mixed together are just fabulous, so I totally recommend this foundation. I will leave a link down below so you can go check it out.